Hello, today I'm in Ford Escape. In this video I'll show you how to activate cruise control. In the beginning, take a look at the left side from the steering wheel. Right here we've got this button. Press it to activate cruise control. You can see that cruise control is turned on by this icon right here. Now accelerate to desired speed and press set minus button to start it. Now you can let acceleration pedal go. To increase the speed, press set button plus. To decrease it, press set minus button. To pause it, press cancel button. To start it from the first set speed, press set plus button, and to start it from current speed, press set minus button. To disable cruise control, again press this button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.